Welcome to the AI for Business podcast, where we bring you the latest AI news and AI tools to help you stay ahead. Today we'll be discussing some big releases from the big players in the AI industry, including OpenAI's potential coding acquisition, Google's new Gemini with an interesting cost control feature, Meta's latest research into how it processes visual information, and amazing progress in AI protein design. We'll also spotlight an AI tool that handles social media creation, scheduling, and posting all in one platform, and share a prompt tip to make AI write, review, and refine content. In our first story, reports say that OpenAI is in discussions to acquire coding startup Windsurf, a company that helps people write code. If the deal goes through, it would be OpenAI's biggest purchase. The company raised $150 million last year when it was worth $1.25 billion and was planning to raise more money at a $3 billion value before these talks started. This move signals OpenAI's clear intention to expand beyond ChatGPT and strengthen its position in the enterprise market. By adding Windsurf's coding capabilities to its portfolio, OpenAI would directly compete with GitHub Copilot and other AI coding assistants, which shows a growing pattern of consolidation in the AI market. Major AI companies are actively working to secure top talent and technology, especially in the area of generative code. While the deal hasn't been finalized and could still change, it highlights how OpenAI is looking to own more of the software development stack and build comprehensive solutions for businesses. Moving over to Google's latest AI advancement, the company just introduced Gemini 2.5 Flash in preview. This new model includes a feature called a thinking budget that helps users find the right balance between quality, cost, and speed. Gemini 2.5 Flash is a big step forward in how well AI can reason and solve problems. Google says it performs as well as OpenAI's o4 Mini and even beats Claude 3.5 Sonnet in reasoning and STEM tests, while also costing less. Developers can now toggle the thinking feature on or off depending on how hard the task is. When it's on, they can set a thinking budget of up to 24,000 tokens, which controls how much processing power the model uses. Meta is also making big moves with their FAIR research team releasing 5 new open-source AI projects focused on how machines see and understand the world. These tools improve how AI systems recognize and reason about what they see. The most notable project is their Perception Encoder, which shows state-of-the-art performance in visual understanding. This isn't just incremental improvement. The system excels at challenging tasks like identifying camouflaged animals or tracking subtle movements that previous systems struggled with. Meta has also introduced their open-source Perception Language Model, or PLM, along with a benchmark that focuses specifically on video understanding. These tools provide more value from video content by analyzing it in smarter ways. In the biotech world, Profluent has launched ProGen 3, a new set of AI models built to design proteins. It's the first clear proof that bigger AI models with more data can work well in biology. ProGen 3 was trained on 3.4 billion protein sequences. The largest version has 46 billion parameters and shows major improvements in protein creation. Profluent has successfully designed new antibodies that work like approved treatments but are different enough to avoid patent issues. They've also made smaller gene-editing proteins that could help improve how gene therapy is delivered. To make their work more accessible, Profluent is releasing 20 open antibodies with flexible licenses, targeting diseases affecting around 7 million people. If these scaling trends continue, drug discovery could become faster and more predictable, turning a long research process into a quicker engineering task. Today's AI tool to try is SocialChamp, an all-in-one platform that combines AI to make your workflow to create, schedule, and publish all your social media content across your channels, and even generate captions and hashtags. It also tracks likes, comments, and shares, giving you insights to improve your strategy based on real results. SocialChamp connects with Dropbox, WordPress, Canva, and Trello, so you can access your creatives without switching apps. If you're looking to simplify social media management and create smarter content, SocialChamp is the choice. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about a method called Write, Review, Refine. It helps you get better results from one prompt by guiding the AI through 3 steps. You start by asking for a rough draft, whether it's a blog intro, product description, caption, or email. Next, tell the AI to review its own work like an expert in that field. Lastly, ask it to refine the content based on that review. For example, you can say, Write a rough draft of a LinkedIn post announcing my new digital marketing course. Then review it like a content strategist. Point out what's unclear, what could be more engaging, and what might boost reach. Finally, rewrite it using your feedback. You can use this for just about any type of request. That wraps up the AI news, tools, and tips for this week. If you found today's information useful, please take a moment to subscribe to AI for Business wherever you get your podcasts. We also appreciate your reviews. They help us understand what content serves you best and allows others to discover the show. And if you know someone who could benefit from these insights, sharing this episode with them is a simple way to help a colleague or friend stay informed about AI developments. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back next week with more practical AI insights.